बैंगलोर, द सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ अ कंट्री। इस खूबसूरत शहर से कुछ ही दूरी पर कुछ ऐसे ट्रेकिंग प्लेसेस और विलेजेस हैं जिनका आप में से कुछ लोगों ने नाम भी नहीं सुना होगा। If you're not from Bengaluru and lucky enough to visit this place in monsoon, then these outskirts of Bengaluru will leave you speechless by their beautiful views. मॉनसून में यहाँ की वादियों और हिल्स खूबसूरत क्लाउड्स में ढके रहते हैं और यहाँ के टेम्पल्स कई 100 साल पुराने हैं। उन्हीं जगहों में से आज हम आपको ले जा रहे हैं एक ऐसे गांव में जो बैंगलोर से 70 किलोमीटर दूर तुमकुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में बसा है और इसका नाम है देवरायना दुर्गा। सो बन्नी देवरायना दुर्गा जतेली अन्वेषिसोಣ।
Hey everyone, very good morning. So it's 5 o'clock in the morning and we are going to Devrayana Durga Hills. I'm not sure if this mic is working or not. Let's see. See this little guy. Hey. And here is our Scarlet, ready to roar on the road. It's been 3 weeks, and after 3 weeks we're going on a ride again. So we'll see you guys on the road. Hey guys, so this place, Devrayana Durga Hills, those like who are Bangaloreans, oh my god, please go. So those who are Bangaloreans, they might be well aware about this place, DD Hills. It is one of the best trekking place near Bangalore, and it is 70 kilometers far from Bangalore. I'm considering MG Road as a starting point. Those who are not Bangalorean, like who wants to visit Bangalore, most of the time you will see Nandi Hills as a trending place around Bangalore. I would say just skip Nandi Hills and go to such places like DD Hills, or there are other places like Mandargiri. I would cover, I think next week we will be going to Mandargiri Hills. So cover all these places, and these places are like less crowded, and you will have far better views and you can just relax. It's quite relaxing because of the less crowd. I think it will take 2 hours to reach. Right now it is 5:12 in the morning. I think by 7 o'clock we will be near DD Hills. Be very careful with these trucks. I'm just remembering final destination and I'm just trying to get a pass even early in the morning. The road is like so occupied in Bangalore. No, you think that 5 o'clock you can leave and you will find empty space on the road. No, you just go to outskirts of Bangalore, like Nirmangala toll near Lal Bagh. You will see how crowded roads are early in the morning. I don't know what is the worst thing about Bangalore. The roads. It is so worse that I just cannot explain in words. Usually you don't get issue suspension so easily. Riding in Bangalore, I had to change my suspension twice, and I'm not kidding guys. And it's not about the riding style as well. The way the road has been constructed, it is so worse. I don't know if the government is corrupted, the officials are corrupted, what is happening here, but despite of taking like such high road taxes, they have left the civilians of the Bangalore with the worst road you might have ever seen in this country. And sky is looking so beautiful. Amazing. So today we are going to be accompanied by my cousin brother and his wife. So we are going to meet them after Nirmangala toll. There is one more station, I'm not remembering the name. I'm not sure how much is the wind blast right now with this mic. I need to check while they're editing the video. Let's see. I just purchased this Sony LV1 mic recently. I just love this bridge. It's so smooth. You can just but if you have to enjoy the ride on this road, actually you have to come early in the morning. If it is like afternoon or you're going after 10 o'clock, again it will be overcrowded, and well, I just don't like it, but be very careful on this road. Somewhere I believe this particular highway, this Tumpur highway, is not that well maintained. There are a lot of potholes, and there are high chances that you can meet some unfortunate situations. So be very careful whenever you're riding on this road. तो अभी हम लोगों ने नेलमंगला टोल क्रॉस किया है, और अभी हमें मडावारा मेट्रो स्टेशन जाना है. वहाँ पर हमारा मीटिंग पॉइंट है, एंड फ्रॉम देयर विल रीस्टार्ट आवर जर्नी टू डीडी हिल्स. I think before we'll reach to DD Hills, the sunrise would have happened already. I'm not sure about it. We are a little late, but that's all right. DD Hills basically sunrise के लिए नहीं, वहाँ की scenic beauty के लिए basically वो बहुत famous है. So yeah, that's all right. Even if you miss the sunrise, no problem. अभी हमारे brother और sister-in-law अभी just पहुँचे. I guess they're riding a little bit ahead of us. We'll catch up later. यहाँ पर एक बार आना है. सुंदर लगता है. पता नहीं कौन सा टेम्पल है, बट जब भी हम लोग इस रास्ते से गुजरते हैं, बट we really like this temple. Some साई धाम मंदिर. This is amazing, beautiful. So finally हम लोगों ने बैंगलोर क्रॉस कर लिया है, और I'm not sure which town or village is this, but बहुत जल्दी हम लोग देवरायन दुर्गा हिल्स वाला क्रॉस आता है हाईवे से. we have to take right turn. So this is a close call, ये आइस एप्पल लेके जा रहे हैं. पता नहीं हमारे ऐसा ताड़ी कहा जाता है शायद. इसका फल पता नहीं, मैं जब यूपी में था मैंने तो उतना नहीं खाया था. यहाँ पर आने के बाद जब मैंने खाया तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आया एक्चुअली. आइस एप्पल, पता नहीं मैं गलत हो सकता हूँ, शायद ताड़ी कहते हैं या नहीं कहते हैं, पता नहीं. चलिए फिर हम लोग आपको डीडी हिल्स के रास्ते पर मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए एंजॉय द सिनेमैटिक्स. 1 2 3 गो.
The moment flows by like molten sapphire. Deep blue silences, no earth below, no sky above. The rustling branches and leaves, saying that only you are here. Only me, my breath, my heartbeat. Such depth like this, such loneliness like this. And me, only me. I now believe I exist.
So the view is so beautiful from here. You can see the hills, and they're like completely covered with clouds. Why go to Ooty when we have such places nearby?
Yes, correct. So come to DD Hills, and you'll be amazed to see the beauty of this place, which is just 70 kilometers far from Bangalore. So we'll see you guys at the top. We still have to go like 10 to 15 kilometers far from here. So we have to reach early, or else we'll miss those clouds. We've already missed the sunrise, we're not gonna miss the clouds. So we'll see you guys there.
If you carry impatience in your heart, then you're alive. If you carry dreams in your eyes, then you're alive. Learn to live like a free waves of wind. Learn to flow like the sea does as waves. Receive every moment in life with open arms. Every moment is a new beginning, seeing with your eyes. If you carry surprise in your eyes, then you're alive. If you carry impatience in your heart, then you're alive. कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत बढ़िया है, जबरदस्त मौसम है,
आने लायक जगह है एकदम।
बहुत बहुत हाईली रिकमेंडेबल।
बारबेक्यू लेकर
रिकमेंडेड। हाँ,
बारबेक्यू लेकर आए, कहीं बढ़िया जगह हो तो बैठकर बारबेक्यू किया जाए। क्यों भाभी?
नेक्स्ट टाइम का तो यही प्लान है, बारबेक्यू करेंगे। इतना अच्छा
सबसे-
वेदर, इतना अच्छा।
हम लोग सोच रहे थे, बट पता नहीं था कि व्यू कैसा होगा, पॉइंट कैसा होगा। बट नेक्स्ट टाइम 100% बारबेक्यू लेके आने का जगह है, और यहाँ पे बैठ के बारबेक्यू।
और वीकडे पर आइए, वीकेंड पर नहीं।
वीकेंड्स ठीक है, डिपेंड करता है, वीकेंड और जगह मिल जाए तो सब कुछ।
So this is like the 6th or 7th time that I am coming here. And every time we come here, me and Sushant have some talks regarding our environment. Where when we sit on the hilltop and see the villages down there with that view, we just go like we should buy a land here and build a home and just settle down.
So this was one of the viewpoints, but recently this government official, they've taken this place and now they're not allowing. The wireless station is there and they're restricting public. So finally अभी allow किया है just to come at this viewpoint, and quickly I will just show you how beautiful is this. I'm just regretting कि अर्ली मॉर्निंग क्यों नहीं आया। अर्ली मॉर्निंग अगर मैं आया रहा था ना, माय गॉड। माय गॉड, अमेजिंगली ब्यूटीफुल ना। Just heaven. Can you see the clouds moving? Wow. मेरा यहाँ से मतलब जाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। सर 2 मिनट का समय दिया तो बाहर जो कांस्टेबल था जस्ट वांट टेक सम वीडियो। हाथ पूरे फ्रीज हो रहे हैं, इतना ठंडा है यहाँ पर। अर्ली मॉर्निंग अगर आओगे और भी ठंडा रहता है, बहुत खूबसूरत रहता है। ये उन्होंने कुछ वायरलेस सिस्टम बना के रखा है और उसके वजह से ये लोग ब्लॉक हो गए। मतलब एक प्रॉपर वे में दे शुड अलाउ द टूरिस्ट टू गो इन। I don't know what to tell. मतलब मूड खराब हो जाता है आने के बाद। आप एक एक्सपेक्टेशन पूरा लेकर आते हो and all this unexpected things happen. This is not okay. चलो, we'll see you guys at the next viewpoint. Bye bye. So this is one of the best viewpoint in DD Hills. लोग बेसिकली उधर से बाइक लेकर आते थे और बाइक को खड़ा करने की जगह थी। अभी हम लोग वहाँ नहीं जा सकते तो प्लेस को क्लोज कर दिया गया है। सो आप यहाँ पर योगा नरसिम्हा जो हमारा टेम्पल है, यू कैन जस्ट कम देयर। देयर इज अ वे बिसाइड द टेम्पल एंड यू कैन पार्क योर बाइक। 1 minute, I'll just show you. There is a place where you can park your bike and you can come to this beautiful viewpoint. Amazing place. And 1 minute, let me show you. You can sit here and just enjoy the view. Just look at the clouds. 1 minute. And basically you should come here in monsoon, post monsoon, but prior to December. अदरवाइज ये व्यू जो आपको मिलेगा, जो ये ग्रीनरी है ना, ये उस टाइम उतना बेहतर नहीं दिखेगा। राइट नाउ इट इज सो वाइब्रेंट। इतना अच्छा लग रहा है। पहाड़ पर कुछ क्लाउड्स के शेड्स हैं और कहीं कहीं सनलाइट है। सो शेड्स ऑफ ग्रीन that we can see right now, and it is very beautiful. There and then there, the dark green, the light green.
Every time the cloud of pain loomed, a tear filled my eyes. When this lonely heart was scared, I told my heart, why do you cry for such reason? This happens everywhere in the world. These dark, lonely times, time has distributed them to all. Some sadness is part of everyone's story. Some sunshine is a part of everyone's life. Your eyes are damp for no reason. Every second is a new season. Why do you waste your time over such matters? Why do you cry? I ask my heart.
So this is Lakshmi Narasimha temple, and this is very ancient. So a lot of stories related to this. It is said that Lord Brahma did some tapasya here, and उनको जो है नरसिम्हा स्वामी एक डीटी के फॉर्म में उनको मिले और उन्होंने यहाँ पर एक्चुअली इसको इस्टेब्लिश किया था. इसका बहुत सिग्निफिकेंस है इस प्लेस का. काफ़ी वैष्णव या इस्कॉन के लोग ईयरली एक बार यहाँ विजिट जरूर करते हैं. तो अगर आप ब्यूटी हिल्स आ रहे हैं तो यू कैन विजिट टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल टेम्पल. So this is the view from this Yoga Narasimha temple, and this is the temple at the starting point, and from here we can have to climb approximately 50 to 100 steps, I guess. Just look at the wind, the force. And this is the entrance. It's a little cave-like structure. There's actually a fort. That's why it is named as Devarayan Durga. थोड़ा सा थकाने वाला ट्रिक है. So this is Yoga Narasimha Swami temple at the top of the hill, and once you'll come here, you will see a small pushkarani. यहाँ पर बेसिकली लोग आते हैं अपना हाथ पाँव धोकर, and then they also pay visit to Sri Anjaneya Swami. It's a small temple, but it looks quite ancient and very beautiful from inside. See that monkey. Make sure you come when the weather is pleasant, so that you don't have to face the scorching heat. After a difficult trek, we're finally going down, and we will return back to our home. So we'll see you guys down there. Mira. Babu.
ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ನಾವಂತೂ ಸಖತ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೂ ಸಹ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿನ ಈ ವಾತಾವರಣ, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳು, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಹಳ್ಳಿ, ಗಿಡ ಗುಡ್ಡ, ಈ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಕಸ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ನೀವೇ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕೆರೆ ಅಂತೂ ತುಂಬ ಗಲೀಜು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ತುಂಬ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಬಂದು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆದರೆ ಈ ಜಾಗ ನೀವೇ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಕವರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ನೀವು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಾಕಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಯಾರೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನೂ ನೀವು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ದಿರ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
So just one request. So whenever you are visiting any place, please don't dirty it like this. Carry things responsibly. After using them, if you don't see any dustbin anywhere, please keep it in your bags, take it and throw it wherever you find the dustbin. This place, it has such amazing view, but as you can see, can you show them this? As you can see, there is a lot of plastic which is here, which is hindering the beauty of that place. So please don't throw garbage anywhere and everywhere. You can see water bottle floating in the river. It's not nice.
इसलिए कहा जाता है कि जिस देश में नदी, पॉन्ड्स, लेक को माँ माना गया, वहाँ पर गंदगी फैलाई, और जहाँ ने नदी को नदी माना, लेक्स को लेक माना, पॉन्ड्स को पॉन्ड माना, वहाँ पर आज भी साफ सफाई काफी अच्छी है.
Because they treat it for music, right?
एग्जैक्टली. सो देश हमारा है, जगह हमारी है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप यहाँ एक कर चले जाओगे, कोई ना कोई गांव वाले कहीं ना कहीं किसी तरीके से इसे यूज कर रहे होंगे. तो जस्ट डोंट डू दिस. ओके, जस्ट बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल व्हेनेवर यू आर कमिंग. दैट्स ऑल. So hey guys, we hope that you guys liked our video. If you have liked our video, then hit the like button, share and subscribe to
Jyotsna Sushant vlog.
Till then, bye.
Take care.